On the Users tab, you can manage all the users that have been invited to this Teams account. To invite users to this team, click on the Invitations button to switch view and then on the Create Invitation button. Then type the email of the user you want to invite and they will receive an invitation email that they will have to accept to join. You can also upload a CSV file to invite multiple users at once. Pending invitations can be revoked by selecting them and clicking on the Delete button. Back on the Users view, you will find a list of all the users, their email addresses, the date they joined, and how many groups have this user been added to. You can select one or more users in case you need to delete them. Clicking on a user will give you a more detailed view, which includes the resources assigned to them, some analytics regarding the print jobs, and a list of the groups and roles the user has been assigned to. You can add more groups and roles by clicking on the Add Group button and selecting one or more groups and which role will be assigned to each user. You can select one or more groups to remove users from them.